Henry James wrote, "Be not afraid of life. Believe that life is worth living, and your belief will help create the fact."
Come up to meet you, tell you I'm sorry. You don't know how lovely you are. I had to find you and tell you I need you, tell you I set you apart. So tell me your secrets, ask me your questions. No, let's go back to the start. Running in circles.